In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a super simple device that pumps oil out of an engine and into a container. Using just your shop vacuum, tubing, and a bottle, you can create this small device for under $8, and it takes only 3 minutes to put together. I got this genius idea from Chris Notap's channel, linked below, and today, I'm going to try it out myself. Let's get started. First things first, I grabbed a bottle of Gatorade and some fish tank tubing from my local Walmart. You can actually use any plastic beverage bottle, just make sure the neck is wider than your shop vacuum hose connection, like this one here. As for the tubing, while you can use any type, I went with this clear fish tank tubing so I could watch the progress. It's not only budget-friendly, but also designed for small pumps, which makes it perfect for our DIY oil pump. Moving on to the next step, grab your drill and use a bit that's just a tad smaller than your tubing, because we're drilling right into the lid of our plastic bottle, and we want that tubing to fit super snug to ensure a tight seal. Let's drill that hole and pull the tubing through the lid. Once we've got our hole drilled, cut the end of the tubing at an angle. This makes it easier to pull the tubing through the hole in the lid. You want the tubing to be snug and a bit challenging to pull through the lid, but not so tough that you snap the tubing. If it feels too difficult, just switch to the next size up drill bit and try again. Now I'll cut the top off the plastic bottle. The best tool for this job would have been scissors, but I just grabbed a knife that was close by. After that, simply screw the lid back onto the bottle, and there you have it. Our setup is complete and ready for a test run. Here's how it's going to work. I'll rest the bottle lid with the tubing against the opening of the shop vac. When I power on the shop vac, it will pull the bottle lid tight to the opening. The vacuum will suck the oil through the tubing from outside and discharge it inside the shop vac. Of course, I don't want oil splashing all over the inside of my shop vac, so I'll place an empty container inside to catch all the old oil. In this case, I used a second Gatorade bottle for the old oil. To keep the container secure, I've crafted a makeshift frame from an empty box. This should hold everything nicely in place. Let's see how this goes. After turning on the shop vac, it takes a few moments to pull the used oil from the mower and into the container. Otherwise, it works great. Of course, the used oil on this particular lawnmower can be changed rather easily by tipping the mower, but some mowers or vehicles are more difficult to drain and can make a mess. This pump also works great for other fluids, such as transmission fluids, brake fluids, or power steering fluids.